pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello my gems, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope that you will stay and take a chance on this channel. Think about subscribing and maybe liking the video by the end of it. So today I have my summer FabFitFun unboxing, and I got an email, and my email told me that one of the items in there, it was the cooler, something happened with the quality control, and that they were going to have to send me out a new one, and I wouldn't be getting it within my box. I don't know if anyone else got that or not. It kind of raised a little bit of alarm, like, well, what happened? But I'm glad, you know, that they let me know what was going on. So I got a big box. I have some add-ons. I cannot believe how... Okay, so I thought the poolside bag was going to be small. It's not small. And then I thought this was going to be so much bigger. This is the jewelry case. And the tray, they're like so tiny. It's crazy. So I just thought that was, you know, I mean, I could put 2 drinks on it, maybe. All right. It's cute. Very cute. I think I paid like $30-some odd for my add-ons. I really wanted this, but I really thought this was going to be bigger. It's the jewelry case. So I'm like, I don't know what happened here, but this is what it looked like. And it's cute. My jewelry box is full, so I thought this would help. I just cannot believe how tiny this is. It is super tiny. But it has a spot up here. It's got a mirror. Then it's got a spot for your rings and I guess your earrings down here. So overall, I'm sure I will use this. I picked it up in add-ons. I want to say it was like $15, and I want to say this one was like $10. And this is for like poolside, you know. You can put your phone in here. You can put, you know, mascara if you wanted to, whichever. It's tie-dye, of course. You know, it's got the plastic in here, and it says there's a separate zipper inside of it. I'll show you. And then of course you got this inside too. Now I wonder if you can put, yeah, I think the whole thing, not just this part here, would be waterproof, but I'll go ahead and check it out, see what it says. But those are my add-ons. Those were the 3 things I got. And then of course we got the books. Now I know the cooler won't be in here, so I won't be looking for it. But let's see what else we got. All right, wait a minute. How is this thing? Oh, okay. There is tape right there. Oh my. Okie dokie. Oh, so you know that the magazine comes with it. I'm going to put this down here. We've got the magazine. Now the prices are in here. And then let's see. This was the box that's quarterly. You pay $49.95. Usually you can get a $10 off code, or you pay for yearly and you end up saving even more money. Do you guys have your coffee? I've got my coffee and I'm ready. I wasn't too thrilled about the choices for this, but maybe it'll surprise me and we'll like it. You get like coupons in here for HelloFresh. There's also what looks like a card. If you're looking for a sign to drink wine, this is it. Okay. Oh, okay, so there's a $45 credit and I'll drink wine, but that's all right. I can probably pass that on to someone. Okay, so let's pull out what we got here. The first thing I'm pulling out is Barefoot Scientist. This is that scrub to where if you're dry skin, if you're in the tub or whatever, and you lather up your feet or any place where there is dry skin, and then oh my god, this is so rough. I gotta be careful with what I use because my skin's so sensitive, but that's what this is for, getting rid of the dry skin. Get your feet summer ready for sandals, right? Then we've got this pineapple shaped ice mold. So you can make, which is kind of cute, you can make like ice cubes in here, and then of course you serve your drink on your tiny little tray. And it would look cute. It really would. So, ooh, okay, yeah. Very cute. I think that's adorable. Okay, what do we got next? And I believe these two items were like one product, you know, like one thing. This here, I don't remember everything I got. Alright, I'll go ahead and look for prices or put them on the screen for you. Oh, is this the, yes, the OBE resistant bands. Oh my gosh, you guys know I was complaining in my last video that my butt's not as perky, so these will definitely help. These bands are Velcro, I think. No, they're not. I thought they were Velcro for a second there. They're actually sewed right here. So these resistance bands will definitely help with legs. I hope that they are the right size. Okay, this one says it's medium, and this one says it's light. I'm not quite sure, but I'll have to update you guys on it. And there came in a case, so I'm really happy to add that to my routine. Absolutely, like 100%, definitely add that to my weightlifting. Okay, let's see. Fruit butter lip mask. I'm so sick of lip masks. A lip scrub and then a gloss or a balm is perfect. That's all I need. This is by Seraphine Botanicals. Fruit lip mask. So I'm not going to open it because you guys know what it does already. We've gotten so many of them. Okay. Let me see. Something is wrapped up here. Is this the tumbler? Ooh, yes, it's the tumbler. I think I remember picking this. What is it? Cork sickle, 12 ounces. It says stemless. It's got the, okay, so you can drink out of this, put a straw in there, I guess. And I'm definitely excited about this. This should be keeping your drink nice and cool. I thought a straw came with it. Is that what this is? Yes, the silicone straw. Okay, so I'm excited about that. My parents have a pool, so I probably will be taking some of these items over there. Yeah, I like it. Okay, cool. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, I think we've got more stickers. Here they are. Step into the sun. Oh, $15 off your first FabFitFun box. So I could totally give this to someone who wants it. This is the Dr. Brandt Pore Purifying Cleanser. I've used this before. It actually works well. I do like Dr. Brandt. So getting it again, not a big deal. I'll definitely use it. The PMD. I actually have this exact one. So I probably will be putting this on Mercari or maybe in a giveaway. I'm not sure. I don't really use them. Maybe I should really try and use them and see what it does. But this vibrates and you put your cleanser on it and you just kind of, but mind you, if you get like Botox or lip fillers or things like that, you don't really want to use one of these where you have that injection, because you can get, like, the filler can migrate, and I just would be careful. And they tell you not to do it if you've got Botox too, because you can push the Botox around. It doesn't happen that easily, but it has been known to happen. So if you guys didn't know that and you get those things, be careful when you use something that vibrates. Okay. Next, I think this is the last thing, and it's heavy. This was the puzzles and activities. I kind of figured, you know, if I'm going to sit by the pool at my parents' house, I could have something to do. It's got like word puzzles, and, or if I'm taking a long car ride, I'll probably be driving, but I can at least give this to my teenager. You can color like all kinds of things. It says make today better, and Let's open this up. Yeah, you got word puzzles, all kinds of things. Things to color. All right, that's one book. The other one says Just Be Happy. It's same thing, puzzles and activities. So my daughter's going to be going to visit her father down in Florida. She could probably use one of these for the plane. It'll at least keep you, you know, entertained. I think that's it. Yeah, that is it, guys. All right, let's recap. So I've got the PMD cleaner thing that vibrates. We've got the 2 books. I thought these came with markers. I could be wrong. The 2 books that would keep, you know, puzzles and activities and all that stuff. Then I've got the resistant bands, which are expensive, and I really will use them. I'm excited about that. We got the cute little pineapple, like, ice cube tray. We've got the lip mask. We got the Dr. Brandt cleanser. We got the scrubber for dry skin. And then we got the tumbler. And then, of course, I got my add-ons, which I'm glad I got the add-ons because, to me, this doesn't seem like it was enough. So I really paid like $80 for this box. And the add-on here was the jewelry box there. And then, of course, I had the tray and the poolside pouch. So overall, I do like my box. Now, I probably would have been a little bit disappointed had I not gotten the add-ons. And, oh, that's right, the cooler should be coming at some point. Let me know if you got that email and if you've received your cooler yet. I haven't seen anyone open their box and have one, but if you guys let me know down in the comments below. Thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video, guys. I love you so very much, and I will be seeing you again real soon in another video. Bye!